What's up guys, it's Emmanuel. Today we're gonna tint the headlights with the Luxe tint. Let's do it. Okay guys, this is my Corolla and today we're gonna install tint. I already removed the old tint from my headlights, but the new one is very cool. You will see it when we're doing the installation. That one is air release and it has a special color. You will see it, alright? So let's open the box and let's see how the vinyl looks. Okay, I got the package here. It's from Luxe. The thing name is Luxe. So let's open it. Let's open it first. It has like a clip here. Alright guys, I already opened it. This is the tint. It comes with a microfiber and a blade. It comes with this and solution and a squeegee and a decal. Alright, so this is the vinyl. You can see it right there. This is the middle tint. Okay, they have dark, middle and light. I got the middle because I didn't want it too light and I didn't want it too dark. Right, let's see it on the light. All right. Okay, so I had one sheet. This sheet is 20 inches by 1 feet, so it's 20 inches by 36 inches. Okay, so 20 by 36. And this thing I think is enough for both headlights, so I'm gonna cut it in half. That is 10 inches, 10 and 10 inches for inch taillight. All right, so let's cut it and install it. Okay, this is air release. Remember, you don't need to use water on this one. That's cool. All right, so you have to use the dry method for this one. So let's do it. Okay, so to clean it, I'm gonna use this to clean the headlights, I mean the tail lights, but you can use alcohol, okay? But so because they provide this, I'm gonna use this. All right, let's do it. Okay, tools that you're gonna need is a heat gun. You're gonna need a heat gun to shrink the vinyl, knife, and a squeegee. All right, that's all you need to do the installation. All right, one side is done. You can see there how it looks. I'm gonna show you on the sun, but first I'm gonna do the other side. But I have to say something. This is air release, so if you have a wrinkle, lift the vinyl and place it again. Don't be scared, all right, to lift the vinyl, because you don't want to have wrinkles on the tail light. It's very easy. Just lift it and put it again. If it has a wrinkle again, lift it again and put it again. Okay, you have to have a little bit of patience because it takes time. I have a long time doing this. Maybe for you it's gonna take a little bit more than usual. Okay, but be patient. And in this is the hardest part. So I did a slight cut here and tuck it on the sides like this. Okay, but some taillights are flat. Mine has these two lines that I hate. So you have to cut here, okay, on both taillight. On this one you don't need to use any wire. That's what I love about this material. It's great. Okay, so now let's do the other side, and after I'm done with the other side, let's see it in the sun. Okay guys, both sides are done. But one thing, if you have the money to get two sheets, it's better, because I was having a little bit of hard time and trying to cover all the edges because it's 10 inches. This is like a 9.5, so it's hard to cover the whole thing with one with half sheet. All right, so if you have the money to get two sheets, it's good. If not, you can do it with one sheet. It's okay, but very, very careful on the edges. Okay, the price of this material is around 60 bucks. It's a 55 plus shipping is around 60 bucks. All right, so keep that in mind. So now let's see how they look in the sun. All right, let's see them outside. Alright guys, there you can see it right there. It looks beautiful, man. Maybe it's a little bit hard to see it on the camera, but in person it looks amazing, man. Look at that. Wow. Now it matches my wrap. Yeah. Ooh, beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna put the link on the description for this material, and they have more options. They have a carbon fiber, they have matte black wrap, and gloss. Okay, so all the links are gonna be on the description of the video with all the different shades. They have a dark, mid, there's the medium, and the light shade. So they have three options. Okay, the dark is the darkest, mid is medium, and light is lighter. Okay, so all of them are gonna be on the description of the video if you wanna get this. All right. Okay guys, this is the tint for the tail lights. You can also do it on the headlights, and this is the Luxe tint. Link on the description of the video. Okay, let me know what you guys think. If you like the video, please like the video. If you have a question, put in the comments. Subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.